Okay, so for my third technology, I went a little out of the box here. I included the link in my playlist to all my technologies, but specifically, I did some research on video editing for beginners because this is something I have very minimal experience in. And with the, current pandemic going on, there might be a time that I have to edit some video for my kids or edit a show, piecing a show together. That's what I really had in mind. Was I know we're planning to stream our spring musical. Whether or not we can have an audience yet, we're not sure, but we're going to stream it regardless to try and get more tickets sold. And so I thought, because looking at the criteria, it is web based. It's not device specific. Works on pretty much any browser. The video I looked at, it was free to zero cost, and it is new to me. So I am stretching here, but hopefully this works. So the video that I have in my thing, basically it's just trying to give me the basic skills to be successful at video editing so that in the event that I have to, it's not going to be a complete and total shot in the dark for me. That's why I chose this, because I wanted to be prepared and I felt like that would be a good use of my time. The purpose, obviously, again, surrounding my upcoming shows, potential projects, that kind of thing. Intended audience would be my actual audience for the musical, parents of students, coworkers, and family and friends. And then that pretty much sums up that one. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot more to say because I think it's going to take some more research on my own time to get comfortable to where I could do something like this. But this 20-minute, video by Justin Brown about how using Windows PC for video editing is a really good kicking off point and probably one of the most useful technologies in this stream of playlist for my 5 technologies. So thank you very much.